Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So firstly, let's open the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one. Let's tap on it because all of these settings are assigned to the proper mode. They're not in one place. And after setting the video, we have to take a look at this option bar, and on the right position we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, immediately after tapping we will change the resolution. So currently we've got 720p with, I have no idea what frames per second, with 30 frames per second. After tapping on it again, we can set 1080p with probably also 30 frames per second. Yes, so basically we've got only two different options and you can change them by tapping on it. Whenever you can see the resolution, it means that it is applied currently and your device will record the videos in chosen resolution, in the resolution you can see on this option bar. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.